Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, first you need to click Add Effect. Okay, if you don't have a window like this, you can reset your layout. After that, you click Add Motion. Arrow here. And then you can change the rotation value like mine, maybe 90 degrees, right? You can change whatever you want. And if you want to export it, you can change the sequence settings. You can replace the value like this. Alright, and don't forget to change your time base. Now you rotate your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you for watching.